Hello guys, in this video I'll be giving you the latest update on VFS Global, and it doesn't look a good news for all the Canada visa students. So guys, welcome to my channel. और हमेशा की तरह अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगते हैं so please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on any important update. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the video. I'm making this short video just to update you on a very important update related to biometrics. So recently VFS Global has tweeted that from 26 June 2021, the web form for making appointment request for student biometrics will no longer be active. All student appointments requested made until such time will be accepted and appointment letters will be issued. So students who have not booked their biometric appointment yet, please do go and book it before 26. And guys, if you have your friends and family applying for Canadian visa, please do make them aware of this update.